What's up guys, this is Brad from Carolina Boat Company. Today I'm going to show you around our Coastal Flats 231. This is a 23-foot flats boat. It's made by Four Sons Marine in North Carolina. This boat is 23 feet long. Comes powered by a 200 horsepower V6 Mercury outboard. It's fitted a Bob's jack plate with C-Star steering. The rear deck here, you've got a nice large storage box on the starboard side. Nice large bilge access there in the center line. Over here to port, we've got a Livewell. Coming up by the helm, you've got a deluxe leaning post with rod holders. Large 37-gallon aluminum fuel tank inside the console. Big spacious console here, plenty of room to flush mount electronics. Going forward, we've got an 80-quart Engel cooler seat, as well as access to inside the console for the fuel tank access. Nice large bow platform here. Two separate storage compartments in the bow. Flush mounted cleats, pop-up cleats here on both sides. You got one forward, one aft. Hull drafts 10 or 11 inches with the jack plate. You can get plenty skinny. This boat's like a mid to upper 50-mile-an-hour range. We hit 55 on it testing today. And just a great overall platform, very stable. Plenty of space, tons of room. Great for fishing in the marsh, great for sandbar with the family, and just a great all-around platform and a very well-built boat from a local North Carolina builder. Again, this is the Coastal Flats 231, available now at Carolina Boat Company in Clayton, North Carolina. Thank you.